Good morning, children. Myself Jagruti Bhatia from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School, English Medium. Today we learn subject English. Look this picture carefully. In this picture, we can see humans love with birds. Birds can live in nest. So today we learn Unit 2 lesson Nina and the baby sparrow. In this lesson, we can see Nina's love and worry about baby sparrows. The story written by Pratibha Nath. There was great joy in Nina's house. Great means very good, and joy means happy. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, and little brother were all going to Delhi for wedding. Delhi is the capital of our country, India. This is the image of Red Fort, and already we know that Red Fort is in Delhi. Delhi is a very famous city. That's why Nina's family was very happy to go to Delhi for wedding. Everyone was very happy except Nina. Nina was not happy. She is sad. She has worry about baby sparrow. Look, this is a picture of market where we buy things. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. Her mother asked her that, "What color would you like?" But Nina replied that, "I don't want a new dress." She has no any interest to buy a new things. Mother again asked for salwar kameez, but Nina shook her head. This is an image of salwar kameez that we wear in our day-to-day life. Then again mother asked her that, "What about those lovely white shoes you showed last week?" Lovely means very pretty. But again Nina refused this offer. Now Nina's mother was upset. Upset means sad. She was upset with Nina's behavior, but she said nothing. Then they went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina and asked that, "What happened, my dear child? Why did you say no to everything?" Nina replied that, "I don't want to go to wedding." Mother asked, "But why, Nina?" Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Roll down means to run down. Nina put her arms around and said, "Don't cry, my pet. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you?" To bother means worry. Mother tried to search the reason behind Nina's this kind of behavior. Nina said, "There's a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room." Bookshelf means a place to keep books. Look, this is a room. And there is a picture of bookshelf. In Nina's room, sparrow nest on the bookshelf. Nest is a home of birds. We know that all animals need home to protect from heat, cold, rain, and wild animals. Different animals have different homes. Like bear lives in a cave, ant lives in an ant hill, horse live in a stable, hen live in a coop, Lion live in a den. Spider live in a web. Dog live in a kennel. Cow live in a shed. Pig lives in a pigsty. Rabbit live in a burrow. Mouse live in a hole. And bee live in a hive. So sparrow nest in Nina's room, and there are two baby sparrow in the nest. They are just beginning to get their feathers. Beginning means starting, and growing up makes them so hungry. Growing up means becoming big. All day long they cry chip chip and asking for food. We all know that living things need food to live. Baby bird growing up, they cry for food. Chip 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 is a sound of sparrow. If we go, the whole place will be locked. So how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? To feed means to give food. In our house, father earns money and mother cooks food for family. Same in birds. Papa and Mama sparrows wandering here and there to search food for their babies and feed them. Look in this picture how the sparrow feed her baby sparrow. Oh Nina, cried mother and giving her big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? It is not a major issue. No problem. Problem means difficulty. Every problem has a solution. Only share your problems with others. Your problem has also a solution. We will leave the window open. We will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside so the house will be perfectly safe. Perfectly means completely. So Papa and Mama sparrow can come and go freely too. Just think, Nina. While you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrow will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Now Nina understands that it was a good idea. Nina enjoyed her aunt's wedding freely, without tension. Idea means thought. When Nina come back from wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. Plump means fat. Nina was very happy. Thrill means very happy. So in this lesson, we can learn that there is a solution to every problems. We get solution when we share our problems with others. Sharing is most important in our life. Now we learn the meaning. Great means very good. Lovely means very nice, pretty. Upset means sad. To roll down means to roll down, to run down. Pet means very dear. To bother means to worry. Bookshelf means a place to keep books. Beginning means starting. Growing up means becoming big. All day long means whole day. To feed means to give food. Problem means difficulty. Perfectly means completely. To enjoy means to have fun. Idea means thought. Plump means fat. And thrilled means very happy. Now look here. Here some sentences here. Now you have to Arrange this sentence in a correct order. So first answer is Nina is sad. Then second, Nina does not want to go. Third, mother asks why. Now fourth, mother says we will leave the window open. And the last sentence is that Nina is happy. So here we arrange the sentence in a story order. Now we learn the question answers. Question number 1. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? Answer. There was great joy in Nina's house since Nina's aunt was getting married. Number 2. Why was Nina worried? Answer. Nina was worried about 2 baby sparrows which were there in the nest on the bookshelf in her room. Number 3. What did mother suggest? Mother suggested that they will leave the window open and the sparrow can feed their babies. While they were at the wedding, the sparrow will be getting nice and fed. Number 4. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? Nina found that the sparrows had become plump and were flying all over the room. So thanks for my